You all have heard about Google Stitch. Let's see how to work with it. So basically, there are the templates available which you can already use in your new creation. Also, you can give some reference if you want. I give the prompt and I selected the model. And you can simply also select if you want an application or a web design, and then just click and refine. Also, you can select the color patterns over here, like what color theme you want to have this for your particular application, and you hit on the click button. So once you hit it out, you will first see that the color palette is being generated, and based on that color palette they will generate the design. So it can be you have selected. Also, you can change it later if you want. So they have given the customization option also. Here the design will be generated, and you can see that just with the prompt it generated the design of the whole application and the pages you have mentioned. Now if you want to change something, any of the part in the design, you can simply write it, or you can also speak about it. If you don't want to write it, you can clearly mention and select it, and you can tell about, "Okay, I do want to change this particular part. Can you redesign it? Or you didn't like the page, can you redesign it in better way? Or better color, better background theme, whatever." So you can also change the radius, border. You can design it as per. There is some tools, and you can also get the design MD option. You can also select the whole design MD and just put it out. You have multiple features available, like you can export this design directly into the cursor, anti-gravity, or any CLI you want. Also, you can design it in particular pinpoints which I have mentioned. Like if you want to improve the particular part into it, you can select it and you can tell it, please improve this, or change it into crimson color, or whatever changes you want in that particular design. When the changes, and now it will generate the changes and it will give me the result in a new particular design. Also, in that the button color can I can also change, and I can simply import the website also. So this Google Stitch is really helpful if you are genuinely looking forward to use something or design something. You can use it, or you can use it for your smaller things also. If you want to generate a marketing banner, or you want to design a particular application, if you want to design a particular website or logo, anything can be generated within a second just with the prompt. Also, you can select the prompt by templates also, and also you can give the reference of website or anything similar it is in your mind, or you want something like that. So it is very easy to use. My video, do comment, like and subscribe. Thank you.